Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. Excited to guide you through how to insert signature into Microsoft Word. Okay, come and say insert. Come, click picture. This device. Okay, search for it where it's saved, where the signature is saved. And pick signature, right? Have it installed inside the Microsoft Word. All right, it's now imported. All right. The next thing you need to do, you need to resize the signature. You click it, crop, to resize it. Resize it. See, now you click it, click the signature, click picture format, you click color and recolor it. All right, let's use black and white 50%. You see, now the next thing you need to do is to remove the background. You click it, click picture format, click remove background. All right, then the next thing you mark area to keep. All right, then click keep changes. See, you have make the signature to be useful. All right, you remove all the background, remove all the borders. All right, so now you can insert a signature line. You click where you want the signature line to be inserted. All right, you click insert, then click Microsoft Office signature line. Then you can write to Friday Chair Manager. Right? You can follow the instructions. Either you allow or show us sign date in the signature line. Click OK. All right. Now the next thing you do, you click on the signature. All right. Click here, layout options. Click this in front of a text. Right. So you can see how beautiful it is now. It fits properly. All right. So you can highlight it together like this so that you can save it. Click insert, click these options here. All right, click it and save selection to a quick path gallery. All right, so Friday signature, then click save. Right, so anytime you want to use it, just come here and you see it here. Just use it. So that's beautiful. If this video is useful to you, kindly like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.